Good morning, my friends. Today we'll be discussing about a very new, scientific and more effective artificial intelligence. This is very intelligently and very effectively is being used for selecting future professionals, future athletes. We have a vision. We work with a vision to bring a positive transformation into the life of people by helping them to explore their innate potential so that they can utilize their brain capacity to achieve their dreams in life and lead a happy life filled with self-satisfaction. Our mission, our mission is to take significant role in transforming human life in a positive way by making people believe in their potential. We believe that every person is capable of achieving their goals in life, and failure is only a result of lack of proper training. We promise to provide that brain training which can help individuals to lead a successful life. Let us listen to our Honorable Prime Minister about the topics of artificial intelligence to a group of students in a school, in a college, and he is suggesting to adopt all schools managements, sports management groups and professionals. They use this artificial intelligence in a bigger way. Let us see what he is saying about this.
Hello sir, this is ऋषि गुप्ता फ्रॉम सेंट जॉन कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग पालघर महाराष्ट्र। तो हम लोग का प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट कुछ ऐसा था कि यूथ को एक परफेक्ट करियर पाथ डिसाइड करने में हम लोग हेल्प कर सके। तो उसके लिए हम लोग ने एक चैटबॉट बनाया जिसके अंदर हम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस यूज़ करके जो युवा है उसका पर्सनैलिटी और वो किस जॉब में बेस्ट सूटेड होगा उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे। फिर जो जॉब उसके लिए बेस्ट सूटेड है उसके बेसिस पे कुछ लिस्ट ऑफ जॉब्स उसको ऑफर करेंगे कि इसमें आप काफ़ी अच्छा कर सकते हैं। तो जैसे कि हर जॉब के लिए एक पर्सनालिटी होती है, जैसे कि वो जॉब सिलेक्ट करेगा जो उसकी टेस्ट की पर्सनालिटी थी और जॉब की पर्सनालिटी को हम लोग मैच करते हैं। इनकेस वो मैच नहीं होती है तो हम लोग उसको सेट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग देते हैं ताकि वो उस पर्सनालिटी लेवल तक पहुँचे कि जो जॉब वो करना चाहता है उसको काफ़ी अच्छे से करे। या फिर अगर दोनों की पर्सनालिटी मैच होती है तो उसको सिर्फ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन देके आगे बढ़ाया जाए। आगे हम लोग का कुछ प्लान ऐसा है कि जितना भी टाइम वो सीखता है हमारे ऐप में, बॉट में, फिर दूसरे मेंटर से बात करके जितना वो सीखता है उसका हम लोग ई रेज्यूमे बनाए और डिफरेंट कंपनीज को फॉरवर्ड करें ताकि कंपनीज उसको गो थ्रू कर सके और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक होगा तो सेंडिंग ईजी होगा। थैंक यू।
देखिए, हमारे देश में एक काम करने जैसा है। आप देखते होंगे हम लोग जब स्कूल से निकलते हैं तो स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है, कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट। स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट के साथ कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है। आप सबको भी मिला है ना?
हाँ जी।
मिला है ना? जो अच्छा, मज़ा देखिए, जो जेल में है उसके पास भी कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट है। हम सबके पास भी कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट है। अब देश को आवश्यकता उसमें बदलाव करने की है। कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट के बजाय हम एप्टीट्यूड सर्टिफिकेट दे सकते हैं क्या? और क्या आप जैसे नौजवान एक ऐसा स्टार्टअप शुरू कर सकते हैं, और मैं समझता हूँ टेक्नोलॉजीज हो सकता है, सोशियोलॉजिस्ट, साइकोलॉजिस्ट, टेक्नीशियंस, इन सबको मिला करके एक ऑनलाइन एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट, इसका एक प्लेटफॉर्म खड़ा किया जा सकता है। और माँ बाप बच्चे के जन्म से लेकर के उसकी आदतों के संबंध में उसके अंदर डिटेल भरते चले और सॉफ्टवेयर एनालिसिस करें और बताएं कि ये बच्चा आपका इस प्रकार का बिहेवियर करता है, मतलब ये इसके अंदर इनहेरेंट क्वालिटी पड़ी, इनहेरेंट टैलेंट पड़ी। माँ बाप को गाइड करता चले। अगर ऐसी कोई चीज़ आप डेवलप करते हैं, जैसा जिस विषय को आप अभी कर रहे हैं, उसका एक नया और बहुत बड़े लार्ज स्केल पर, और हर आज देखा होगा आपने, 12th के एग्ज़ाम के बाद बहुत परिवार काउंसलिंग के लिए जाते हैं, बहुत बड़ा पैसा देते हैं, और 3 दिन 4 दिन काउंसलिंग चलता है, और फिर वो काउंसलर जो होता है वो बताता है कि आपका बच्चा इंजीनियरिंग में जाने के लिए योग्य है, आपका बच्चा डॉक्टर बनने के लिए योग्य है। वो कोई ये नहीं बताता है कि वो माली बनने के लिए भी योग्य है, ये एग्रीकल्चर में कुछ नहीं बता रहे, क्योंकि एक लिमिटेड उनका है दायरा। लेकिन पहले से ही अगर 12-15 साल तक लगातार मैपिंग चले और उसके लिए कोई पर्सनलाइज सॉफ्टवेयर बनता है, एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनता है, तो हम बहुत बड़ी सेवा हमारे खास करके मिडिल क्लास फैमिली के लिए कर सकते हैं। मैं चाहूँगा कि जो काम आपको मिला है, जिसके लिए आप सॉल्यूशन अभी देने वाले हैं, लेकिन उसका एक बड़ा स्केल बना करके भी आप इस पर काम कर सकते हैं, और मैं समझता हूँ कि बहुत बड़ी सेवा हमारी युवा पीढ़ी की हो सकती है। उसको अपना रास्ता तय करने में एक बहुत बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा। भाई तुम छोड़ो आर्किटेक्चर बनने के बजाय, लेकिन तुम अच्छे पेंटर बनो, तुम बहुत बढ़िया काम कर सकते हो। और मैं मानता हूँ वो पेंटर बन करके ज़िंदगी बहुत बढ़िया जी सकता है। तो ये हम एप्टीट्यूड की तरफ कैसे करें, और मैं समझता हूँ इसका बड़ा स्केल बना करके भी आप लोग सोच सकते हैं। लेकिन आपने जितना बताया मैं उसका स्वागत करता हूँ, और एक अच्छी दिशा में आप लोग सोच रहे हैं।
This is regarding selecting student athletes, corporate professional using artificial intelligence. Now, let us find out how do we learn from outer world first. This is the basic. We learn by 3 senses mostly: visual, auditory, kinesthetic. We often use list to organize our thoughts. Suppose we have some thought some goal to achieve. We visualize them. Before visualizing, we jot down or write down in a paper or in a laptop. When we start writing it, spelling it, suppose you are going for a market or buying vegetables. When we write about the vegetables, when we spell, we recognize words, and we also start seeing these words, how they look. Suppose we want to buy banana. While writing, we'll see the picture of banana, either ripe or green. The visual people mostly remember the faces, but sometimes they forget the names. Visual people learn best by associating picture with words. Say suppose for kids, A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, with sound and picture. This visual person will benefit from vision, and it is being used as a part of lectures in whiteboard, PowerPoint, films, videos, maps, charts, posters, graphs, etc. Visual people will understand more easily by this process. Second type of persons are auditory persons. They learn by listening to verbal instructions. They remember by forming the sounds of words and remember the names but forget the faces. This is opposite to visual persons. And sometimes, occasionally and subtly, you may find themselves reading aloud. Sometimes it happens. They ask questions to teacher for better understanding. They benefit from listening to lectures using audio recordings and videos. They like to participate in group discussion. This is all about visual persons and auditory persons. Now the third one is kinesthetic persons. They learn by physical activities. They learn using large diagrams, floor worlds, puzzles, and more. Acting, interviewing, and role-playing enhances their learning skills. They understand better way by visiting laboratories, field trips, trial error assignment, and field work. They can prove their skills by this way, and they get more benefit out of this type of learning. Kinesthetic people remember the real things that is happening. Now our today's subject is artificial intelligence for selection. We can select future Olympian athletes, school children, corporate professionals, business partners in advance, finding their personality type through multiple intelligence report, or in short called DMIT. Mostly it was scientifically found that the personality type is almost like 4 types of birds. There are personality like eagle type personality, peacock type personality, owl type personality, and dove type personality. Eagle type personality. Eagles are dominant, stimulated by challenge. They get encouraged by when they face challenge. They are decisive. They decide and they do it, and direct. Eagles can be very blunt and stubborn and lose sight of big pictures because of that, and can become insensitive to other people's needs. Eagles are natural achievers. So the best person we should select for sports, higher management group people, higher management professionals, and selecting at their young age, they should select eagle type personality. Peacock type personality. The peacock loves to talk, brings the carrier of center of attention, has passion, enthusiasm, and is happy and optimistic. Peacocks can be accused of talking too much and are not very good in details or in time and control. They are normally good in mass speaking, motivator like that, selling some products, insurance agents, and all kinds of agents. This is all about peacock type personality. Owl type personality. Owl is logical. They are mathematical minded, methodological, and sometimes seen as a perfectionist also. The owl can be slow to make decision because of these qualities, and inflexible if rules and logic says otherwise. Once they have decided some opinion in their mind, they are afraid of changing that decision or opinion what is there in their mind. Owls are not big risk takers but love details. They take the details but they don't take big risk. Mostly many management people are like that. We have to improve to achieve our goals in life. Dove type personality. Dove is people oriented, loyal, friendly, hardworking, and great. Team player but tends to avoid changes, confrontation, risk taking, and assertiveness. Is very friendly. Dove is very friendly, and they mix try to be with everybody friendly, like that. Mostly all people are among these four groups of birds, their personality. Importance of multiple intelligence in career selections. Normally, till now, we used to think about IQ. We used to very much interested about what is my IQ. Importance of selecting athletes, students, corporate professionals through IQ, EQ and AQ in competitive world. Now IQ only cannot describe a person's total things. IQ stands for intelligent quotients of an individual, which signifies mental potential. Efficiency, caliber, ability to understand the things, especially on academic front, which is required to achieve success, position, monetary things, and study in mechanical, mathematical, and software engineering. They are very good in those type of professions. And EQ, that is emotional quotient, stands for emotional quotient of an individual, which signifies the emotional ability of an individual to deal and manage the emotional issues of one's life effectively and positively. Persons with high emotional intelligence are well off in emotional issues in competitive sports, exams, and interviews. If we select persons for sports academies, we should see the EQ level of a player. Very important. Next comes AQ, stands for adversity quotients of an individual who can manage the equilibrium of mental state in adverse situation. Very important, as well find the solution to coming out of it. The EQ and AQ are most important for selecting athletes, students, and professionals. It is very useful in married life. Understanding, adjust everything. High EQ and AQ level are most important to reach highest level in athletics profession, high level management persons, like that. Each Q has significant value in life at different stages, such as IQ is very important in career development age, that is up to a level of deciding the careers, subject and streams. EQ and IQ has importance in professional life, married life, but it depends on nature of an individual, as everyone is different than others. The ratio of IQ, EQ and AQ would differ in each person's depending on their society, environment, surroundings, etc. Summary. We have discussed scientific selections program of competitive busy world. Most important for school students, their subjects and career. Athletes, their selections in different academies and Khel Jagat sports world. Any other professions, selecting or deciding about any other professions like dancers, singers or painters, it will help. It can be predicted. corporate professionals, as I have already told, business partners. Suppose you are going to have a partners in some professions or business, you can know the personality type and match them, and then if is right, then go ahead. And selecting life partners, it is very much useful. Matching. This is all very briefly explained by our Honorable Prime Minister in our second slide, where we have seen that he is very strongly recommending corporate professionals people, students, and all sports academies and sports world people and their management must now implement this artificial selecting process or program in their academies, in their schools, and all professionals must start using this artificial intelligence for selecting their candidates. My name is Shankar Mojumdar, Brain Mastery Community. My phone number, email address and website as given in the website. Thank you so much. I hope I could create some interest in the peoples who matters in decision making in our India. I will request, because I have studied very deeply, I request all management people, all sports management people, school management people and corporate professionals to start selecting their players, their students, their candidates through multiple intelligent test, artificial intelligence test, or in short DMIT. Again, thank you so much. If you have any questions, I hope you must have many questions. Ask me questions through all my details, phone number, email address, through any of them. I will be answering each and every questions as far as possible. This is what I am trying to give back to the society or help India if I can do something from my own effort. Again, thank you so much. Hope that you will implement all these things very shortly.